Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to take a look at a Nissan Altima. Starting right away up front, you have nice chrome accents in the grille. We're going to take a look down the passenger side and a quick look at the wheels here. You do have alloy wheels, very clean. Taking a look inside now at the leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout, no rips, stains, tears of any sort on any of the seats. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. On the back you have dual point exhaust. We're going to take a look in the trunk now. Your floor mats are back here just to keep them nice and clean, and you have extra room in the back as well. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have your power locks, windows, and mirrors here on the door. Cruise, as well as audio controls mounted to the steering wheel. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control, as well as dual heated seats, and also an automatic transmission. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Nissan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive. And again, that's holidayautomotive.com.